Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Confirm the exact model and OS because resets differ between brands. Back up your data now and verify the backup can be opened. Once done, log out of accounts or record passwords so activation won't block you. Make sure battery is above 50% and that you have Wi-Fi credentials. These steps prevent data loss and activation locks, so don't skip them. Start the reset process only after backups and account details are secured and the device is sufficiently charged. Now execute the reset itself. Open Settings, go to System or General Management, then Reset, and select Factory Data Reset. Enter your PIN when prompted. If the device is unresponsive, boot into recovery mode using the hardware key combo for your model and choose Wipe Data/Factory Reset. For locked or remote devices, use Find My Device or iCloud to trigger a remote erase, or run OEM recovery tools. Make sure you understand whether you need a full factory wipe or a target. Finish by completing the initial setup. Connect Wi-Fi, sign into your Apple ID or Google account, and selectively restore your backup so you don't reintroduce problems. Once configured, test core functions, calls, data, cameras, and biometrics, and update the OS and important apps. If activation or lock errors appear, make sure you have account credentials and proof of ownership. Alternatively, contact carrier or OEM support for unlock assistance. If something still fails, reboot into recovery and repeat the reset only after documenting error messages.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.